Fearless English. My name is Ileana, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the secrets of improving your pronunciation the first week of class. In this video, you will learn the name of the letter, a word that begins with the letter, and the sound. At the end, I will review the most common mistakes made by ESL students when they're learning how to pronounce. In the English alphabet, there are only 26 letters, and the different combinations of these letters make 44 sounds, which is why reading in English is very hard. These videos are to concentrate on two things only. What do I do with my mouth so I can pronounce better? And what sound does that letter make? In this is the first part of a two-part video. The first part, I will review long vowel sounds. First letter, A, apron, 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 A, apron, A, B, bed, bed, B, B, bed, B, C, cat, C, cat, C, cat, D, duck, D, duck, D, easel, 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 F, flower, F, flower, F, flower, G, guitar, G, guitar, H, hat, H, hat, H, hat, I, ice cream, I, ice cream, I, ice cream, I, J, jar, J, jar, J, K, key, K, key, L, leaves, O, L, leaves, O, L, leaves, O, M, marbles, M, marbles, N, nest, N, nest, O, overalls, O, overalls, O, overalls, O, overalls, O, P, pencil, P, pencil, P, pencil, Q, queen, Q, queen, Q, queen, R, rose, R, rose, R, rose, S, skunk, S, skunk, S, skunk, T, television, T, television, T, television, unicorn, U, unicorn, U, unicorn, U, V, vase, V, vase, W, wagon, w. W, wagon, w. W, wagon, w. W, wagon, w. W, wagon, X, X-ray, X, X, X-ray, X, X-ray, Y, yarn, Y, Y, yarn, Y, Y, yarn, Y. Z, zipper, Z, zipper, Z, zipper, There are two kinds of vowels. There are long vowel sounds and there are short vowel sounds. In this video, I taught you the long vowel sound because a long vowel sound is the same as their name. This letter is A and the sound is A as in apron. This is E as in easel. See, it's the same name as the letter, the same sound. His name is I and you read it I. Ice cream. This letter's named O. Overalls. So see, they are the long vowel sounds and they are the same as their name. The sound is the same as the name. This letter's name is U and the pronunciation of this word is unicorn. Now let's talk about the most common letters that ESL students get confused on the whole word. And also, you make the mistake because you don't know what to do with your tongue. And you don't know what shape to make with your mouth. Those are the two problems. When you're learning pronunciation, you look and you copy. You look at your teacher's mouth and you copy. So this one, B, is you put your lips together. B, 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 B. And this one you don't. This one may sound like B if you hear it really fast, but it's not. It's V, V. Look at my lips. Do you see what I'm doing with my lip? What I'm doing, I'm biting my lip a little bit with my teeth. V. And this is B. V, B, V, B, bed, violin, not violin, violin, not violence. It's not violence, it's violence. G, 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 and K, K, K. You're saying, where do I make that mistake? Well, the other day I heard someone say, back. Are you saying back? Or bag? Bag. Blue bag. One is G, 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 G. The tongue is behind the palate back here. It is curved. The tongue is curved. It's back here. G, 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 G. I feel my tongue between my molars right here. G, G, G. That's where my tongue is. And this one is more forward. Right here. This is air, more air. G, G. Okay? All right. English has a lot of sounds that make your lips go like this. And they want to do this. For example, many people say teacher. Teacher, instead of teacher, doctor, lawyer, water. Do you see? Rope. The second letter is this. What? When? Why? I tell my students this. To learn English, I'd like you to practice this. because that is what you do. You pucker your lips. Your lips are forward like this. In these two letters, rope, rope, rope. Do you see my lips? Rope. And wagon, wagon, wagon. Next sound is these babies right here. Zipper, zipper. My tongue is between my teeth and I'm blowing very, very hard. But also there's a sound there. I'm also going, there's a sound there. That's what creates the vibration. Here, there is no sound. I'm not going, I'm just blowing air like this. Skunk. See, I took away the sound. So this, what is the difference between the tongue is behind the lips? You're still blowing air like this. But what is the difference between this sound and this sound? And that is this a sound. You're making a sound. You're putting voice into it. Just air. So if you ask me what is the difference, I'm not going, I'm just going, because here, your tongue is right behind your teeth like this, and here too. Here you're blowing air. And here you're also blowing air, but what makes that vibration is the sound. You bring a sound to it. You bring a voice sound. Because if I took away the sound, I would be doing see, it would be this sound. So that's the difference between these. And the last most common, it's not a secret. And the last most common mistakes that my beautiful ESL students make is between these wonderful sounds. It's this one. This one, some people confuse it with this one. They want to say jar. And they want to say the same sound here, jarn. Jar, jarn. Okay, so what's happening there? It's the tongue, the pressure of the tongue. You're pushing too much pressure right here with your tongue you're putting too much pressure on your tongue against your molars here. No, it's very light. Yeah. Yarn. That's why some people say, Jess, I love you, Jessica. Yes. I love you, Jessica. Do you hear that? Yes, Jessica. Yeah, many people do that. Okay, so this is the other problem. But it's really for many people that have this sound in their alphabet like this. I want to say, hello, how are you? It's not. It's very flat. That means you have too much tongue. Relax your tongue and say hello. Pretend you're running really, really fast. You're really tired. Like that. That's the H sound. Hello, how are you? Hat. Not hat. Hat. No, you're comparing it to your own language, which has the sound. Good job. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are truly passionate about learning English and bettering your pronunciation. See you next time.